Solve the problem. Under certain conditions, the length of time that it takes for fruit to ripen during the growing season varies inversely as the average maximum temperature during the season. If it takes 25 days for fruit to ripen with an average maximum temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit, find the number of days it would take at 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Round your answer to the nearest whole number. So, I've defined some variables here, and I'm going to let L represent the length of time it takes fruit to ripen during the growing season, and I'm going to let T represent the average maximum temperature during the growing season. Now, we're told initially that there's a relationship between these two, and that the length of time, L, varies inversely as the average maximum temperature. So we would correspondingly write L is equal to some constant K over T to represent this inverse relationship. Now, as kind of a second part to the problem, we're given a certain situation or scenario. We're told that it takes 25 days for fruit to ripen when there's an average maximum temperature of 80 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to substitute then that 25 days in for L and our 80 degrees in for that average maximum temperature. So 25 is equal to K over 80. And this allows us to solve for K. Multiply both sides by 80. So K is equal to 25 times 80, or 2,000. So having solved for K, then we can say that our equation looks like L is equal to 2,000 over T. Now we've got a third part to this problem, a question that's asked of us. Find the number of days it would take for this fruit to ripen during the growing season if we've got an average maximum temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to take that 75 degrees, we're going to substitute that in for T, the temperature. So L is equal to 2,000 divided by 75. I'm going to go ahead and reduce this fraction. 2,000 is a 25 times 80. 75 is 25 times 3, so that's 80 thirds. If we write that as a mixed number, that's 26 and 2/3 days. Now, one last thing, we were asked to round this to the nearest whole number. So that 2/3 is going to round up and cause our answer to be then 27 days.